Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your profile color on Asana website. So let me just go into the website. So all you need to do first of all is open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser such as Google Chrome, Opera maybe, Microsoft's Edge. I don't know what other any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then, as I said, just go here to the URL, type asana.com and hit the enter button. So of course you'll need to wait until this page loads. So here, that will actually be your home or your main screen. But first of all, you'll need to log in into your account. So of course, if you don't have an account, just go and create one. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? Anyway, sorry for that. So I guess from here, if you want to change your color or profile color, you would like first of all to go and click here at your icon. So of course from here, as you can see, we'll have here this option called my profile. So just go and click on that. And as you can see, of course, you can here click at edit your profile. So of course, when you click on that, you can just go here and click at the display option. And as you can see from here, you will have an option or the theme. You can even make it light, dark, or you can make it synchronize with the system settings. So of course for me the system settings is light, so of course I'm just making light or whatever. So of course when you finish off that, you would if you want to go through all this advanced option, if you want to show the task and the row numbers, if you want to enable the compact mode, if you want to enable color blind friendly mode, and if you want to show occasional celebration upon task completion. So of course choose whatever you want and then hit this X button. And of course you can actually even change the color of your projects by just going here to any projects and click at the three lines and click at set color and icon. Of course you can change the icon, the color, and etc. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.